Hey guys, it's Brian. In this video, we're gonna configure your web events. Let's jump in. Okay, so now that we have our domain verified, we need to pick our highest priority event that we want our Facebook ads to be able to optimize for. Again, this is another huge pain in the butt thing that is happening because of all the iOS changes. So just follow along with me here. This should be pretty simple to set up. So if you're inside of your Facebook Business Manager, all you need to do is click on the little icon up here, go over to Events Manager. And so that's going to do, you're going to see your pixel up here that we already created. And you're going to want to go down to Aggregated Event Management down here. So go under and click on Configure Events. And you're going to see any domains that have your pixel on them that it's now accepting data from. You should see probably just your one domain and the fact that it's verified. And then we want to go assign events. So click this drop down, click on manage events, click on edit, just gives you a little disclaimer. And then we want to add an event. So click on add an event. If you have a custom conversion, this is where you would set that up. We're just going to go with the regular standard conversions that happen from the pixel. So click on your pixel and then click on whatever you want to optimize for. What I suggest is clicking on purchase because you're most likely selling a product or service. So just click on the standard purchase event and then click submit and then click on yes, I understand these changes. So now you have a verified domain with your top highest priority event. So what this is going to do, I'm going to go back here and edit this. You can add up to 8 events. So you can say, hey, I don't want to track just purchases. I also want to track leads, and I also want to track, let's see, what else is in here? Maybe page views or view content. You can do whatever you want. And the other thing to remember is, and we can get this into a more advanced video later on, but this purchase event, this is all purchases. So in this case, for this product that I'm selling, this $27 ebook, I also have an order bump here for $47. I might have upsells. I probably have other products. If you are optimizing just for the, let me get back to this page, just the purchase, that's going to optimize for, if I'm running an ad that's optimizing for purchases, that's saying, hey, Facebook, get me anyone who buys any purchase. So there are times when you want to optimize for just one or another. And it's a little bit more advanced on how to do that. But if it's a little bit over your head, don't worry about that right now. We can get to that in another video. This one will be just fine. It'll capture everything that's bought. You set it in your highest priority, which means even if somebody opts out of Facebook tracking on their iOS device, which is the big change that's coming up, that Facebook will do its best to still optimize for anyone who's buying anything, which is a good thing for you. So this is all you need to set up right now. Click on submit, and then you're good to go. In the next video, we'll talk about how to actually make sure that when somebody buys, that purchase pixel actually fires. So I'll show you that one in the next video.